Hi friends, I'm Dr. George Michael. I'm working in first choice homeopathy. We have three branches: Bangalore, Udupi, and Mangalore. Today my subject is irritable bowel syndrome. How homeopathy medicine are going to prevent and cure this condition? It's one of the commonest condition which commonly seen in both the sex, which affects the large intestine or colon because of infection, inflammation, lack of bacterial flora, good flora. Third thing is deposition of immunocomplex or cells, which lead into inflammation. So with the symptoms of cramps and pains in the abdomen, mucus stools, excessive glands or flatulence we call. Third thing is mucus stools. Okay, occasional blood stench which notice in the stool. Now it's very important to know how that causes. Now let me illustrate very clearly with the picture wise. So here basically stronger and long lasting intestinal musculars that causes one of the conditions. That is one of the first reason. Second thing is lack of microflora, otherwise good flora, which is absent in the intestine. Third thing is any infection which causes because of the either bacteria or virus. So that may cause us a very common example we call gastroenteritis. That is one of the causes which causes that. Third thing is stress factor, which cause a lot of disturbance in neuromuscular functioning. Fifth cause could be the lack of coordination between the nervous system and intestinal muscular system. That is one of the common reasons we have noticed. Now, very important, how homeopathy medicine are going to work with these conditions. So, homeopathy medicine are going to help the person in combat with the stress factor, which help in the reduce the stress factor also. Second thing is, it's going to help in the prevention factor also, reduce the infection in case of gastroenteritis. Okay. Third thing is it improves the gastrical flora, otherwise intestinal flora. So which we call normally good bacteria. Fourth thing is it is going to decrease the amount of immunocomplex in the intestine, so that the inflammation which reduces in the intestine. So with this I'll wind up this condition. So it's always go with the homeopathy medicine for the preventive and prophylactic actions and the curing of the conditions. So you can reach me, you can call me this number 8277165971. I'm at First Choice Homeopathy, Bangalore.